Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini for coding. We'll cover its core functionalities for developers, from generating code snippets to debugging. Gemini is a powerful tool that can significantly enhance your coding workflow, whether you're a beginner or an experienced programmer. It understands context, offers creative solutions, and helps you work smarter, not harder. Let's dive into how you can leverage this AI assistant for your development tasks. Generating code with Gemini is straightforward. Simply describe what you need, for example, a Python function to sort a list, or a JavaScript snippet for form validation. Be as specific as possible with your requirements and the desired language. Gemini will then provide a code block you can review, test, and easily integrate into your project. This saves valuable time and helps you overcome coding blocks efficiently. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. Quick recommendation: while Gemini helps you write code, a Kindle Paperwhite lets you read documentation, tutorials, or even entire programming books anywhere. It's perfect for those moments when you need a break from the screen but still want to learn. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. Gemini excels at debugging and refactoring. If you encounter an error, paste your code and the error message. Gemini will often pinpoint the issue and suggest a fix. For complex sections, ask Gemini to explain the logic, helping you understand its functionality. You can also request refactoring advice to make your code more efficient, readable, or to adhere to best practices, ensuring high-quality development.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.